So with all the high winds of this storm that's approaching, my bath pan broke. Can you believe that? This is about a 9-gallon bath pan. That is a wash pan. Now, while I'm so upset that it broke, because we have two, and I'll have to replace it, I am going to be using it to planting. Yes. So what am I going to plant in this? That's a great question. I'm still thinking about what to plant in it. But let's see. Of course, dirt is going to go in it. So what? It doesn't matter what I plant in it. I know I'll be planting food, of course, because we need to plant more food. So, yes, we'll see what I plant in it.